Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, where today I'm going to go through how you find the cheapest limiteds on the Roblox item shop. And limiteds, if you did not know, they kind of speak for themselves in the name, but a limited is an item on Roblox which usually started off fairly cheap and then has gone up in price, and you can resell them for whatever Robux amount you want, but there are only a few of them in Roblox, which is why they call them limiters, and they're also known as collectibles. And like some of them, the more famous ones, like Dominuses, such as this one on my screen now, which is the cheapest one, and you also have the kind of middle ground, the Dominus Rex here. And the most expensive one, I forgot what it's called, but it's a blank white Dominus. No, I think it's 66 million Robux or something. You'll see on your screen right now. And I'm going to go through how you find out on the catalogue what the cheapest limited items in the store are. So let's get right to it. So here we are on the Roblox store. Now it's just loading. This is it here. And what you want to do is you want to go into the featured section. Just click down and go on to collectibles, and once you click that, you'll then be on. You can see all these limiteds. They're all, they're fairly, they go from 5 million over there to a few thousand. 999 million. I think that's the most expensive thing, joint most expensive thing on Roblox, and the noob attack things. But if you go into relevance, onto the drop down menu, I'll go down and click low to high. And here we are. So you can see there's like 970 Robux. For a limited, that's pretty cheap, and that could go up in value when you can resell it. That's like 997, 980. They range here. So they're going, it's more noob assists there. A lot of eggs from the egg hunts. And it's stuff that you like are in the shop now for like stuff like very similar to it for like 20 Robux. But that could manage to get up to 12,000 when it becomes limited. So, if you ever see something and it looks promising, I will buy it if you can. So, this is out. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I'm not forcing you to, but if you want to, remember to like and subscribe. If you enjoy my content and if you want to see more Roblox, then yes, make sure to like. And if you want to see other games in Roblox or other tutorials, please feel free to comment down below, and I will hopefully respond to them. So, goodbye.